told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay.
And then I put 2 braids in the back of my head. It looks like 1, but it's 2, and I can crochet hair into both braids. Now I'm starting on this side, but I did the 2 braids in the back so that I can pull it up in a ponytail. I do want this to be a versatile hairstyle. Okay, so I finally just finished my braid pattern. Golly, it took me forever to finish these braids. So this hair, I am going to split it either once or twice depending on how thick the piece is. But I'm splitting this one once. You kind of go through it like this and kind of fix it. As you know, I put the really small, fine pieces in the front of my head. And then the back, I put the semi-bigger pieces in the back. They still small, like I said, I'm taking them apart. I am hooping this hair twice because with it being straighter hair, you do not want it to slide out. So you definitely want to hoop this hair twice. Some people put knots in it. I don't usually put knots in this hair, but you can. But if you just hoop it 2 times, it won't come out. I have some new hair, guys, that I am super excited to try. It's Bobby Boss GOGO curl, and I'm going to do that one when I take this one out. And I'm like extremely excited about that. I watched a few videos on it, and that hair is so pretty. It actually looks like sew-in hair. I've been wanting to sew in, but don't want to spend time to get somebody to do it. Don't want to pay for it. Prefer to do my hair myself. So this hair is 12 inches, so not very long, but it's hot here, y'all. Every day, it's like 90 something degrees right now. So I don't really want anything down my back. That's why I did not use the Bobby Boss GOGO curl yet, because this heat is just something else, y'all. Don't get me wrong, I love it, but it's definitely something else. So I'm using the number OT27 and the number OT30. And all of this information will be in the description section, and I'll put exactly how many bags I used in the description section also. So I am, as of right now, putting the dark color in the back. I might put some of it in the front too, but right now I'm just loading the back with it. So one thing, guys, that I did do different this time than I did the last time was I decided to make it where I can put this hair up in a ponytail. So this is beach curl. I just wanted to be able to wear it a different way than what I wore it last time. Last time I kind of cut it into a bob. This time I want to be able to put it up off my head because, again, it's so hot. It's so hot. So just use this little beady bead. So I want to be able to pull it all the way up on top of my head. So I made 2 braids in the back that allow me to do that. I'm now on my second bag. I think that first bag wasn't completely full, but I am on my second bag. I'm on my third bag. It's so big, guys, that I feel like I put too much in it, but I am gonna put some mousse on it, so we'll see. But I definitely like this hair. It is so pretty, and yeah, I like it. I'm gonna probably put this to this side and make this side a little thinner, but yes. I don't have to tell y'all, this is some of my favorite hair. Let me turn around so y'all can see it from the back. See it from the back. So I definitely am gonna put mousse on it to tame it a bit, but yes, guys. So it's a little fuller than it was last time, but I dig it. So I'm gonna go get me some black spray or brown spray and spray it here tomorrow, so that won't be so obvious. But I dig it. 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 Alright guys, if you like this hair, I'll drop all the details below in the description section. Again, this is Beach Curl by Freetress. It is 4 bags. I'll drop the colors that it is in the description section, and yeah. Never go wrong with Beach Curl. Thanks so much. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will definitely be dropping more hair videos and a bunch more videos that you should not miss. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. So you can really see this hair, but I'm not really 100% certain if you're gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna try to see. I like this hair. I like it overall. It's really full. I just like it. I like the color of it. I actually do have the 2 mixes of colors. I like them both. Oh, first off, let's talk about this hair. This is Beach Curl. I did another video on this hair. I'll drop the information in the description section. This hair, when it comes to going to the gym, is the truth. If you need some hair to go to the gym with and look cute, but at the same time and be able to get your workout on and don't have to worry about how your hair looks, if it looks okay, this is the hair you want to choose. This is definitely some go-to hair if you want to be able to go work out with no problems. So I absolutely love this hair for the gym. It's not doing anything right now, just have it on my head. When I go to the gym, I normally put it up in a high ponytail because I don't want it on my shoulder. I don't want to be sweating, and this product that I put in it like sweating out on my body, clothes. So what I did use for it is mousse, and no special kind of mousse, just some hardening mousse, which I do hate the fact that it hardens it, but it does kind of keep the hair together instead of being so wild. And I've had it now for a few weeks, and it is starting to get wild. But hey, it's perfect, like I said, to go work out at the gym. And you want to look cute, but you're not trying to look like supremely cute. You just want to look nice. This is hair.
Let me worry about my stamp.